A very good morning, children. Children, this is your English period, so I would request everyone to kindly take out your English grammar books and get ready with the session. So children, as you remember, in the previous session, we have started with chapter 1 in your English grammar book. That was Let's Revise. Right, children? And we also did question 1, 2, 3 and 4. Right? We have completed 4 questions from the chapter 1 Let's Revise in your English grammar books. So children, today we are going to start with question 5. That is, join the sentences using and, but, or. Alright. So children, in the previous session I already told you where to use and, where to use but and where to use or. Right. So we did 1 and 2. We already did first sentence and second sentence. We had joined first sentence and second sentence. In today's session we have to start with sentence number 3. Right. So children, if you have not completed question 1, 2, 3 or 4, so you can go through the previous videos which are there in my YouTube channel and you can complete all these questions, right? So today we are going to start with sentence number 3. So what we have to do, let's recapitulate. So where were we in the last session? We were on question 5 and sentence number 3, right? So these sentences, what the question says for these sentences? The question says join the sentences using and, but, or. So what we have to do is, 2 sentences are given, right? First sentence is this, please open the door, then full stop, then second sentence is come in. So we have to join these 2 sentences using and, but or, right? So amongst the 3 you can use any one and join the sentence, alright? So first we did that, please open the door and come in. So we join this statement with and, alright? It has been done already in the previous session, children. I am just revising it. In case you have not completed it, you can go through my YouTube channel, alright, and you can complete this work, okay. Now the second statement we join with and, right. So Hitesha went to Sikkim. She stayed there for 4 years. So first sentence is this, second sentence is this. So we have to join these 2 sentences. So with the help of and, we join these 2 sentences. So the correct sentence is Hitesha went to Sikkim and. So Sikkim ke baad we put and, right? And she stayed there for 4 years. So we join these 2 sentences with the help of and. Okay? So remove full stop and write and. So all you have to do is you have to remove the full stop and you have to join the sentence with and. Okay. Similarly, in the first one also you had to remove full stop. Okay. You have to remove the full stop and join the 2 sentences with and. So first you write, please open the door and come in. Then after coming, you can put full stop. Similarly in this statement also, Hitesha went to Sikkim and, don't put full stop after Sikkim. Hitesha went to Sikkim and she stayed there for 4 years, and then after years you can put full stop. Okay. So children, let's begin with sentence number 3. Alright. So Aditya you can see that the sentence number 3 has two sentences, right? The first one is Aditya picked up a book. Full stop. He did not read it. Full stop. So you have to join these two sentences with the help of and, or, but, or. इन तीनों में से किसी की भी help लेके you have to join these two sentences. Right? So take out your pencil and we are going to join these two sentences with the help of any three of them, either and, or, but, or. Right? So children, when you read these two sentences, the first one says Aditya picked up a book. So Aditya picked up a book. He did not read it. Aditya picked up a book. Aditya ने book उठाई. He did not read it. उसने नहीं पढ़ा. Right? So हम यहाँ पे and नहीं लगा सकते. Because मैंने आपको पहले भी क्लास में बताया था बेटा कि and तब लगाते हैं जब same होता है. यानी continuation में कोई process होता है and वो same होता है, opposite नहीं होता है, like होता है, मतलब same होता है, uniform होता है, तब हम and लगाते हैं. ठीक? और कब लगाते हैं? और हम कब लगाते हैं? जब हमारे पास options होते हैं. Right? When we have two or more options, then we use or. ठीक? तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास options तो है नहीं. So children, as I said earlier that where do we use or? We use or where there are two or more options, right? हम और को कहाँ यूज करते हैं? और तब यूज करते हैं जब हमारे पास ऑप्शंस होते हैं. टू और मोर ऑप्शंस होंगे तब हम सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करेंगे और से, राइट? सो moving to the third sentence, right? And we are going to join these two sentences with the help of but. Why? हमने but से क्यों join किया ये दो sentences? Because ये sentences में contradiction show हो रहा है. कैसे show हो रहा है contradiction बेटा? अब आप देखोगे कि यहाँ पे लिखा है आदित्य picked up a book, full stop. आदित्य ने बुक उठाई, right? He did not read it. आदित्य ने बुक नहीं read करी. So in the previous session also I told you that wherever the sentence shows contradictions, जब सेंटेंस हमारा कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन शो करता है या ऑपोजिट बताता है तब हम बट का यूज करते हैं. सो आदित्य ने बुक उठाई. सो ही वॉज सपोज टू रीड द बुक, है ना? आपने बुक उठाया है तो आपको रीड करना है, राइट? लेकिन आपने नहीं रीड किया तो ये क्या हो गया? ऑपोजिट. तो जब भी ऑपोजिट होता है तब हम बट का यूज करते हैं, राइट? So children, let's join these two sentences. Aditya picked up a book, full stop. He did not read it. So we will join these two sentences with the help of but. Okay? So let's write. Aditya picked up a book. Start writing, children. Aditya picked up a book, but he did not read it. Full stop. Don't forget to put full stop. Okay, children? Aditya picked up a book, but he did not read it. So children, move to page 7. All right. and we will do more sentences in this category. Children, I hope you have turned to page 7. Okay. So now the fourth sentence is, do you want pizza? Question mark. Do you want noodles? Question mark. Right? So children, as I explained you earlier also, there are two options. You can see. Do you want pizza? Pizza is the first option. Do you want noodles? Second option. So you have two options. So now children, you tell me with which we will join these two sentences. हम किससे join करेंगे ये sentences? And से, but से या फिर और से? आप सोच के बताइए. मैंने क्या बताया था आपको कि जब हमारे पास sentence में options होते हैं तो हम किससे join करते हैं sentence? और से. Very good children. Right. तो हम ये दोनों sentences किससे join करेंगे? और से. कैसे लिखेंगे हम? Do you want pizza or noodles? ठीक. अब हम इसमें do you want को दो बार रिपीट नहीं करेंगे बेटा, क्योंकि वो दो बार आ गया है. तो सिंपली और लिख के हम पिज्जा और नूडल्स वाले ऑप्शंस लिख देंगे. ओके. सो स्टार्ट राइटिंग. Do you want पिज्जा और नूडल्स? अब देखिए बेटा, डू यू वांट जो है वो दो बार आ गया है. ठीक है, इसलिए हम डू यू वांट को दो बार नहीं लिखेंगे, हम सिर्फ एक ही बार लिखेंगे. डू यू वांट दो बार आ गया, इसलिए हम दो बार नहीं लिखेंगे, एक ही बार लिखेंगे. डू यू वांट पिज्जा और नूडल्स. ओके. आई होप चिल्ड्रन आपको समझ में आया ये सेंटेंस. ओके. सो मूविंग टू द फिफ्थ वन. He ate the whole cake. Full stop. He was still hungry. Children, in the previous session, I had given you the same type of example, if you remember, right? Plate full of food and you were still hungry. If you recapitulate the previous session, you would remember that I had given you the same type of example in the previous class, right? So the fifth statement says, he ate the whole cake, he was still hungry. So he ate the whole cake. उसने पूरा केक खाया. So what it was supposed to be? Her stomach should be full because he ate the whole cake, है ना? But he was still hungry. तो ये क्या हुआ? ये opposite हो गया. इसने पूरा केक भी खा लिया and तब भी वो hungry है. तो ये क्या हो गया? Opposite statement हो गया. Opposite sentence हो गया. So what we are going to do? We are going to join these two sentences. He ate the whole cake. Full stop. He was still hungry. We will join these two sentences with the help of but. Alright. So children, start writing. Children, I had written the sentence joining with but. Okay. He ate the whole cake but he was still hungry. Alright. So children, complete this sentence. And the next question is question 6. Make sentences. Alright. You have already done this before also in class 2 and in class 1 also, how to make sentences, how to frame sentences with the words given, right? I hope you know how to make sentences with the words given. So children, there are words here in question 6. The first one is we. So you have to make sentence with this word we. So you have read many sentences so far. So we are playing in the park, we are going to school together, yeah, we go to school by bus. So many sentences can be formed with the help of the word we, right? तो बेटा यहाँ पे 10 words दिए हुए हैं. We, behind, difficult, knives, vixen, ate, useful, them, under, going, right? These 10 words are given. So what you have to do is you have to make sentences with these words, right? For example, I can tell you the sentence with behind, है ना? Number 2 word is behind, right? So you can make sentence that I am hiding behind the tree, or we are sitting behind the bush. Behind मतलब होता है बेटा पीछे, ठीक? Difficult, आप difficult से बना सकते हो sentence that this problem is very difficult, or you can say this maths question is very difficult, we are unable to solve it, right? इसी तरह knife से आप क्या sentence बना सकते हो that children should not play with knives, or knives are used to chop the vegetables, right? तो आप इस तरह से sentences frame कर सकते हैं word से. So children, this is your homework. Okay? So you have to do this question 6 as your homework in the book itself. आपको book में ही करना है. Okay? And send me the photograph. I will check all your sentences and I will tell you कहाँ पे आप गलत हो और कहाँ पे आप सही हो. Okay? So your homework is do this question 6, make sentences in book only. Alright? In case you are unable to make sentences, you can ask me on the WhatsApp group. I will help you out. Alright children? So thank you so much children, and thank you for cooperating with me and bearing the online classes. Alright? And please take care of your eyes as you are giving so much time to the phone, right? You are taking classes on phone. So please take care of eyes, take care of your eyes, wash your eyes with cold water daily, alright? And please stay home, do not move out of your house until it is very urgent, because the COVID cases are rising very drastically these days. So please protect your health, protect your parents and relatives' health. And for now, this is the end of the session. Please be safe, please be at home, and thank you so much children. And please complete your work and send me your completed work on the WhatsApp group. I will check it and revert to you. Thank you so much.